PBS El Paso has been your trusted source for quality educational programming for over 40 years. But with recent federal funding cuts to public media, we need your help more than ever. With the unexpected cost of replacing the AC that keeps us on the air, we're at a critical point. This system is essential to keeping local programming and your favorite PBS shows up and running. Your support right now can truly keep us going. And as our way of saying thanks, you can receive a limited edition Stay Cool Watch PBS t-shirt. It's easy. Just go to our website, kcostv.org. Click on the t-shirt button. Then click Other. And select your t-shirt size. Fill out your info and click Donate. And that's it. You've made a difference in your community. Thank you for standing with PBS El Paso.